In today's Ruby piano tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to play the Neverending Story. We're going to be using letter notes and it's going to be easy. This is the part that Dustin and Suzie sang in Stranger Things 3. So that's the part we're going to learn. I'm going to teach you verse by verse, and then at the end I'll play the whole song. If you'd like to skip there right now, here's the timestamp, have at it. Otherwise, let's get going. So I'm going to play the verse, then we'll go through it. That verse was just the same line twice. So let's go ahead and give it a try right here. So what you're going to do is your pinky's going to go on E, and then your thumb's going to go on G. And you're going to play E, G, G. Super easy. After that, you're going to play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what I mean by that is your fingers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's give that a try right there. Put your thumb on C and play 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That way you can play the notes fast and it's super easy. Let's try it again. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to go 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. So let's try that again. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, D, C. Good, so let's try that whole line. We're going to start here at E and the G. So thumb on E and pinky on G. 1, 2, ready, go. Now put your thumb on C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, D, C. Good job. And you do that twice and you have the first verse. Now let's do the chorus. Okay, let's go through it. So let's go through the first line. Make believe I'm everywhere. So put finger 3 on G, A flat, E flat. Now 3 G's, A flat, F. Try that line again. 4 G's. Ready and go. A flat, G, E flat. 3 G's, A flat. The next line's a little bit trickier. I think it's the trickiest part of the song that we're learning. So let's start off right here. 3 G's, 2 A flats, F, E, 2 G's, another G, A flat, 2 F's, and I'm going to jump over here on E flat. So I can go 1, 5, 5. Okay, so let's try that right there where it says written on the pages. So put finger 3 on G. Ready and go. 3 G's, 2 A flats, F, E flat, 2 G's, another G, A flat, 2 F's, move to E flat, 1 and 5. You might need to work on that line a couple of times to get more comfortable with it, because like I said, it's the most difficult line of the song, but after that the rest of the lines are pretty easy. Now let's go into the second verse. If you look, the second verse is pretty much the same as the first verse, so let's give it a try. I'm going to play it first. The only thing that's different is there's an extra C. So we're not really going to go over this one again, because if you got it the first time, you should have it. Just realize that there's an extra C in there, and actually if you miss it, it's not that big of a deal. I won't tell if you won't tell. Okay, let's go into the chorus again. I'm going to play it for you. So that line was the same. This line is different. And did I tell you the other one was the hardest? This one's the hardest of the song. Oh, sorry. Anyways, you can do it. Let's give it a try. Okay, and I played 2 G's right there. I know there's only 1 written on the lead sheet, but that's okay. You know, that paper's called a lead sheet, by the way. It's got the notes up on it. Anyways, let's work on this. So we already did the verse that says rhymes, because it's the same as the when we practiced the chorus before. So let's start on where it says and they're upon a rainbow. So let's see. So we're gonna put finger 3 on G, then we're going to play B flat, A flat, G. So it's not that hard. That's the different part than it was previously. And the rest is kind of the same. F, E flat, 2 Gs, another G, A flat, 2 Fs, and then jump finger 3 to E flat, and then your pinky. So that line you might need to work on, but if you've worked on it earlier with the course, you should kind of have it. Anyways, let's try that line one more time, remembering that the only thing different is the bag. And what I mean by that is the B flat, the A flat, the G. So if you just go da 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 really fast, it's kind of not hard. Anyways, let's try that again. Just put your finger 3 on G, starting at the E flat. 1, 2, ready, go. E flat, G, 2 Gs, B, A, G, play bag. And now F, E flat, 2 Gs, another G, A flat, 2 Fs, jump, finger 3 to E flat, C and G. Good. Now here's the last line. It's the ah. Let's do that part. We're going to use finger numbers again, and it's going to go, well, let me play it for you first, and then we'll go through it. So that's the first ah part, and then it changes. So let's just do that part together. We're going to start with 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. So this is very similar to what we've done before, so let's give it a try. Starting with finger 4, ready, and go. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Good. Now the song changes, it modulates. That means it changes chords to a new key. What is on my finger? Is that ink? Just ignore the ink on my hand. Okay, anyway, let's play. So now we're going to go up to the E flat and the B flat. And let me just go ahead and explain this really fast in case you're new and you don't know. The white keys all have ABC names. The black keys have last names. And what I mean by that, if he's E, if I move down, he's E flat. So we're going to be playing E flat, and we also have B, he's B, then he's B flat. So I should have told you that earlier when we had them, but hey, now you know. So flat is just a lowercase b. Okay, now we're going to go to where it says story again. This time it modulates, which means it changes key. So it sounds a little bit different. And let's go ahead and put thumb on E flat, so that's E flat, pinky on B flat, and you're going to go story right here, 1 and 5. And I'm going to show you how it goes. It's the same, but it's on different keys. So let's see how that goes. You're going to put thumb here and pinky there, and you're going to play story, 1 and 5, ready and go. And now you're going to put finger 3 on this middle key, and you're going to play 3, 2, 3. So you can do that, ready and go, 3, 2, 3. Now play 2, 1, 2, ready and go. Good, and now this is tricky, but it's not that tricky. You're going to play 1, 2, 1. So he's stepping over your thumb to there and getting that right there. So let's try that again. So go ahead and put your finger 3 on the A flat in the middle, and you're going to play 3, 2, 1. Ready and go. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, 2. 1, crossover, and that's the whole part of the song they sing. Okay, now that we've gone through the entire song, what I want you to do is to push pause and work on any verse that was hard for you. And the reason for this is because if you just keep playing the whole thing through, you're practicing the easy stuff you already know. So find the parts that were hard, work on them for a couple seconds, and then come with me. We're going to play the whole thing right now. I'm just going to do minimal talking, maybe because I know I talk too much, but go ahead and put your pinky here and your thumb right there, and we're going to start together. 1, 2, ready, go. Thumb on C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it again. Thumb to C. Jump to G. Verse, just like the beginning, jump to C, do it again, jump to C, Okay, here's your test. I added a note accidentally. Find the note. Tell me what note I added by accident. When I make my TikTok videos, people are fast to tell me every time I make a mistake. So I'll get 500 comments saying, you missed a D. I'm like, yeah, so I'm not perfect. Haha. I'm not perfect at trying my best, and that's what you should do. Always try your best. Anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you'd like to leave a comment down below requesting a song that you'd like, I'm going to be doing a couple songs easy to hands. I'm trying to keep this channel pretty easy. I'm trying to not make anything too hard. This is really for beginners, is what this piano channel is for. So if I feel that a two-handed song is pretty easy, or if you could like modify it to still be easy, I might be doing that some. But go ahead and comment down below what you'd like to know. Oh my goodness, I'm rhyming. And I hope you have an awesome day. Again, I'm Ruby, and you have reached the Ruby Piano, and I will see you later. Bye. Thank you. Oh yeah. Click up here to watch another video, because learning is fun. Yeah, and piano's fun, and you're awesome. Bye.